So I just got this mic and I have their like podcast desk mic and I love it. I use it all the time. So let's check this out. I want to unbox this with you so you can see what's included. Okay, so here it comes a really nice case with the brand name on it. I'll unzip it and take a look at what's inside. So inside there's a little instruction manual, and wow, this is actually packaged so nicely. Everything's cut in foam. And then I think this is where all the accessories are, so let's check out those. Yep, so we got a USB to USB-C cable. We have a like dead cat windsock, a USB-C to USB-C cable. Wow, there's so much stuff in here. That's awesome. Aux to aux. We'll open that in a sec. Let's see what else comes with it. Another aux to aux, but this is angled versus one straight on this one. One's angled. And that's it for that one. All right, so let's see what this is. Okay, so this is, the adapter plug. So you can plug that in if you're running it to aux. And then in here, you have all the mic components. So you have this really nice grippy rubberized handle. And then you have a tripod base that comes with. So what I love about this is you can attach these in different components. So if you didn't want to use, let's say this piece, you could attach just the other one. It depends how you want to set up, but it comes with all the different components, which I really like and appreciate. Then you have a couple different options. So you have a cold shoe mount with the top part too, and then you have a ball head with the bottom part as well. So you can screw that in if we want to use the ball head, which on the tripod we would. So you can put that on. And then next piece here is the mic mount. And so this has a cold shoe mount, but it also has a threaded adapter mount as well. So it does slide on this swivel, which is nice, so you can position different spots. So we will tighten it in the middle, purpose of what we're doing today. We're going to screw it on. And I like, because it is such a big mic, that is double mic holders here, which gives a little bit more stability. And then here's the mic itself. And then on the mic, you have a bunch of different buttons, so you can change things on the mic itself. You also have a USB-C in headphone, and you have the audio aux out, which is super handy. And then this piece basically just sits right in here, and these just pop apart. I'll just do it very gently. Go. And then there you go. The mic is set up, ready to go, and then you're able to run the cords directly from there and set up the mic and move it around however you need. So if you're looking for a really cool mic setup, with a case like this, with a portable mic, this is really high quality, really nice. I love their gear. I've been using it for a while and highly suggest you check it out for your needs.